Hey everybody, welcome to Bobby Builds It. We've made it to giveaway day. To enter this, you had to comment on my video answering Soldier Farms March challenge. Here we are. The prizes are one of these pint glass bottle openers, a notepad. Supposed to be a notepad right there, but there's not. Or one of these phone holder bottle openers. What we're going to do is go to this website that enters, that randomly draws names for everybody that commented. Whoever gets picked first, I'm going to let them choose which one they want. Whoever's picked second, they get to have the other one. If whoever wins feels, or either person feels real strong about which one they want, I'll accommodate them. All right, let's see who wins.
Okay, make sure we grab the right video. Come over here. There we go. We'll set this to 2. Unique authors. Pick a random comment. This is some advertisement that nobody cares about. We got Don's Wood Shop and Two Dudes DIY. I'll be reaching out to y'all. Thank you very much.